Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for our new 2K Front dashcam. Here is the QR code to download this app. This app is called the Visor. You can download this app on App Store or Google Play. Here is our after-service email address. If you have any problems about this dashcam, you can please scan it and contact us. And this is the playlist of operation video for this camera. Now let's open the package. This is a 2K main camera unit. It's small and sleek. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Please note, before using it, please tear off this label. This is a Type-C power port to charging this dashcam. And this camera supports up to 256 GB micro SD card, but there is a free 64 GB SD card. Has already been inserted to slot when you receive this package. It does come with a 3M sticker already attached. Please tear off this red film when you use it. And it has an anti-static adhesive that sticks to the windows, and then this sticks to that. By the way, if you need to take off main camera or want to use it in another vehicle, you just need to slide right out of it and then slide in it. Here is a Type-C car charger. This is a USB-C port. It can be used to supply power for your other device. Check the crossbar. You are able to shove a cord along the trim of your car's interior. This is a short USB data cable. You can transfer footage to computer from dashcam. And it's a pin, which is to be inserted or removed the micro SD card. Another 3M stickers and anti-static adhesive. Check the user manual. The last one is operation video card.